this when you walk behind it. It should open up, but it's not opening. So we have a problem that we need to address, because right now it's kind of heavy and it should go up on its own. But we're gonna address the problem and get it squared away. So what we're gonna do now, I kind of already started doing it, is start taking the trunk apart so we can get over here and over there to change our struts out and figure out what else is going on. So with this particular model, you pull up this little rubber seal here and you have these on there. Easy way I've done it, I pushed up on that to release it and it comes down like that. You got three, one right there and one right there. So this is loose also too. You got a clip there, right there. And then you got to take out two screws here, two 10mm, so you can drop that down a little bit so you can get clearance to take this off and that. So just hang with me and we'll get it done. So once you drop that little piece right there, once you take those screws out, you got a little tab right in there that plugs in there, and you can pull it out and voila, you're at your shocks. So what we're gonna do now is just pull those out on both sides and replace them. Just like I'm gonna pop this one out right now. So be careful, because you know this is glued on to the back side of this with the plastic, and there's the other one. So I think this is pretty much straightforward. You don't really need to see me replace it, because you kind of got an idea how to get to it. But the one above this with the automatic open and close has a motor on it, which this one doesn't. So I will probably find another car to do one with the motor in case the motor goes bad. But it's the same principle. The only thing that makes it go bad are the struts. So once you replace those struts, it should be fine from that point. And it's pretty straightforward, as you see. And if you have any questions, you know the routine. Hit me in the inbox, hit me in the comments, let me know what you got. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. So, added bonus, in case you don't know how to remove these, show you how simple they are. Okay, I already removed that part from there. So what you do, you take a little screwdriver, flathead, or you can use a pick, and it just slides underneath. Let's say this part right there, just slide the screwdriver in there and it pops right off. That's simple. And once again, like, share, subscribe. All right, and there we go. Now everybody sees that it's a complete success. I'm gonna wrap this video up here and put this trunk back together. As always, I'm gonna say it again, like, share, subscribe.